So our topic is about the inverse trigonometric function, and we have three equations here. So we have the first equation, which is for the arc sine u over a, then plus c, and also for the tangent, number two, and we have for sec. Okay, for the first example, we need to find the indefinite integral using an inverse trigonometric function and substitution for the integration of the dx over square root of 9 minus x squared. For this one, we just need to rewrite our equation into the form of du over square root of a squared minus u squared, whereas we can find our u squared is equal to x squared. Therefore, our u is equal to x. And also for 9, we need to equate this one into a squared. So to get the square root of 9, we just need to get it. So we have 3 raised to 2, that is equivalent to 9. Then we have a squared. So therefore, our a is equal to 3. Okay, from this, we can simply say that our equation dx over square root of 9 minus x squared is equivalent to our arc sine u is equivalent to x, that is x then over a, whereas our a is 3. And don't forget our constant c. Okay, for the second example, this is our second example. We have 2 dx over x squared plus 8x plus 17. And we know that this equation is not a perfect square. So we need to find on how we can break this equation, this denominator, into a perfect square. Okay, take note that we can rewrite our equation x squared plus 8x, and we can use 16 and we can separate 1. That is also equivalent to x squared plus 8x plus 17. Okay, and for this one, you can simply say that our denominator can be written as x plus 4 squared and also plus 1 squared. So we're not done here yet because we need to get our u, right? This is u squared and this is our a squared. Take note that our equation u is x plus 4, then our a is equivalent to 1. So therefore, we can rewrite our equation as 2 integration of dx, then we have x plus 4 squared, then plus 1 squared. And for this one, take note that this is equivalent to our du over u squared plus a squared. And this is equivalent to our arc tan. right? That is arctan, then u over a plus c. So our final answer would be 2 arctan, then the equivalent of our u, that is x plus 4 over 1 plus c. And to finalize our answer, we need to eliminate the denominator 1. X plus 4 plus